All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than our good old friend Shiba Inu. See what's happening on the daily time frame and of course what we could be expecting as we approach Friday morning. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So we're looking at the overall market, guys. The market is definitely turning into green. Floki absolutely killing it right now as far as meme coins are concerned. Floki is the top performer, not just for meme coins, but in the top 100 coins, it's the biggest gainer. And speaking about the biggest gainer, we're seeing once again meme coins after that bloodbath we did see over the past 2 to 3 days. We're seeing meme coins gaining traction once again, and in terms of its overall market cap combined, I think we could see a yearly high occurring for that as well. So that could push meme coins even higher going into the weekend. So really exciting times ahead. But let's take a look at none other than Shiba Inu. So it's up about 11% over the past 24 hours. In USD comparative, the price is currently sitting at 33.83, still about 4 zeros in front of the price. Also up about 8% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. Market cap shy of just $20 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $4 billion. So as of now, I know the Shiba Inu community have really been discussing about the flippening that everyone is discussing, and as you guys know, I've been discussing this on my channel over the past few days, and Shiba Inu came really close in flippening Dogecoin and actually taking over that for the first time ever, but it was unable to do so. But as I've said to you guys in my other updates as well as my Dogecoin update, that there are massive amounts of people out there that will try their absolute best to not let this happen. But we did get very close, and of course I'm speculating that maybe there are a bunch of big exchanges or maybe even institutions. Again, this is a big statement to make, and again, it's just my own personal opinion. I'm just having fun speculating, but I think there could honestly be institutional pressure coming in as well, and who knows, maybe one meme coin is about to get an ETF, or even a hint that there could be an ETF in works. And imagine if that announcement did come out. Imagine what's that going to do to the overall market. And this is a really interesting discussion that people are having, and honestly, it's something that I wouldn't even write off at this point. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at the total market cap for the entire meme coin market, it's approaching that $60 billion mark. So we're definitely starting to retest the yearly highs in terms of total market cap for meme coins. But you guys can see this for yourself. Meme coins are having an absolute wonderful day right now. You can see, especially over the last 24 hours, pretty much if we're going throughout the board, you are seeing pretty much everything in green, and some coins up quite a bit, especially Floki up 46.5%. Absolutely insane stuff. But obviously, Shiba Inu, the top two meme coins in terms of market cap and overall presence, and currently sitting at $20 billion market cap. And if you want to make that comparison with Doge, about $3.5 billion difference in terms of market valuation. But let's take it a step further, see what is happening. So BTC dominance has pulled down right now, which is giving a lot of altcoins more of a push to move towards the upside, and we can pretty much see this throughout the board. BTC on the other hand, absolutely amazing. As I've said, Bitcoin could be pushing towards all-time highs. We're very close, about a 3% push more, and we will be out of this resistance and enterprise discovery mode. So that could be really exciting. Could we see that happen this weekend? If that does happen, I think market is going to absolutely pop off, and of course it is going to trend everywhere, which it has been pretty much over the past 2 to 3 weeks. But that's that for BTC is looking absolutely amazing. But now let's take a look at our good old friend Shiba Inu. So what you're starting to see Shiba Inu do is it's trying its best to get past this resistance once again. Of course, we know what happened over the past few days. The entire market did see a little bit of a cool off, and Shiba Inu is no exception. But you're starting to see this recovery really taking place, and we are seeing this bounce back up. I will give you guys a little bit of a closer time scale, and you can really see what is happening right now. So of course you can see this for yourself. Yesterday, just we were pretty much hanging below this key resistance. So the retest did happen late March 6th, but never managed to actually see the price of Shiba actually pushing back above this key resistance. And right now, we're starting to see this candle forming this green candle. So could we see this push? Obviously, now that we're seeing the overall market pushing up, we're seeing BTC pushing up. Could we see Shiba Inu breaking out of this key resistance and entering the 61.8? That's what you want to be seeing. Let's make it simple. You do want to be seeing Shiba Inu breaking out of this key resistance. I'm sure everyone is starting to realize the importance of this, because pretty much after we broke below this key resistance just on March the 6th, you can see several retests. We saw about 2 different retests, and that was of course rejected. And as of now, since then, we haven't really seen another retest occurring. But in the next few hours, it's really, really important to see this retested and actually turn into support, which I think could trigger a move in this upcoming weekend ahead of us, pushing the price of Shiba Inu towards yearly highs, even in my opinion. And if you want to put that into perspective, in order for it to hit a yearly high, it's a 36.6% move. It is a large move. Don't get me wrong. It's not a short move, but one step at a time. You do want to see it reclaim back above this key resistance, and I think we could start pushing up into the 61.8 and obviously getting to the yearly high that we set for ourselves. But overall, loving what I'm seeing with the overall momentum. Momentum hasn't slowed down, and I think the shakeout really shook out a lot of longs and shorts. I saw so many people on crypto Twitter complaining that their positions got completely burnt out. There were massive threads of people saying they got completely burned out. Market just went up right after their positions got liquidated. And again, this is not a surprise. This coming from someone that's been in the space for such a long time, if you are new, continuous reminder to each and every one of you guys, you don't want to be falling for these traps for these exchanges that say you can leverage trade, you can make some massive amounts of money even if the price of the asset goes up or down. That is true, of course. You can make you can make a lot of gains even if the price were to go down, if you obviously make the right move. But unfortunate thing is that these markets are highly manipulated. Some people might come out and say, oh well, Shiba Inu has about a $20 billion market cap, Crypto ZX, it's not manipulated because it's such a high market cap. Well, guess what if I told you only 3 to 4 whales can come and single-handedly manipulate the price of Shiba Inu just like that? And yeah, that is why, just stick away from leverage trading. But so far, so good. The next few hours are very important. Having a feeling that, we will see this push back above, this key resistance and enter the 61.8 and start heading towards yearly highs. But of course, one step at a time. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think. What are you most excited about Shiba Inu? And where do you see Shiba Inu trading in terms of market valuation at the end of this cycle? And obviously, what is your exit strategy? Where do you see yourself locking in some of these profits that you guys are making over the past few months if you've been accumulating? Do let me know that stuff down below in the comments. And with that being said, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.